Morning everyone, welcome to the first episode of Crypto and Coffee, where we have a coffee together and we talk about crypto. Just for the first episode today, I'd like to introduce myself, who I am, my trading strategy, my investment strategy, and just a few disclaimers, that kind of thing, so you can always refer back to episode 1 in the future. I've been in crypto for about 5 or 6 years now. When I first bought my Bitcoin, I sold it for what I thought was a great profit back in the day of about $500. And if I'd kept all my Bitcoin, it would probably be worth a few $100 grand to $1 million today. So we're back into it. I've been investing full on for the last few months, and I really believe in the space. I understand the technology, and where it's going and how it's going to change the world. So, each day I'd like to just jump on here, have a chat to you guys, see what's going on in the space, and keep it nice and easy. So, I've got here trading strategy, but to be honest, we're not traders. I don't believe in day trading. I can understand the merits of swing trading if there's a good opportunity, but really only 1% of people that day trade are successful. And these days you're going against bots, you're going against programs, you're going against very smart people in the industry, and I don't think technical analysis really works at the moment. The market's too small, it's too driven by fundamentals. Some bad news comes out and it affects the market too much. I don't think anyone really knows which way it's going to go. So I think the space really needs more respect for long-term investment, and that's what we're trying to do. Now, just to let you know, this is not financial advice. This is just a man talking about crypto and having a coffee. Whatever I say is just a guide. I want you to do your own research. Please don't blame me if you lose money. But that said, whatever I do say, I will tell you if I'm invested in something, and I will tell you if I recommend something and the reasons why. So let's check out what's happening today. Now, as you all know, Binance seems to be down. Let's go have a look, see if it's still down. It's not loading, not looking good. Yeah, it's still down. So let's see what they have to say for themselves. Okay, so they've been updating hourly. Data sync, tracking along smoothly. I'm not sure what the time is in the US. We're in Perth, WA here, so all I know is that it's been well over 18 hours, I'd say. Let's have a look. So basically Binance is saying they've got 3 different methods of data recovery. So you've got method 1, 2 and 3, and you're looking at anywhere from 1 to 9 hours. Okay. Ethercept, bit of humour. You can always rely on Ethercept for some humour. Okay. Yeah, so people aren't happy. People aren't happy. I don't have a lot of money on Binance at the moment, actually. I do the right thing and put it on wallets, so let's see what else they've got to say for themselves. Alrighty, so method 1 is their priority as a fail-safe, also processing 2 additional methods of recovery. So they're trying to do all 3 at once by the sounds of it, and we'll see which one. I'd say we're probably closer to method 3, given how long it's already taken. Yeah, so people are pretty pissed off, but you have to come to expect this in the space right now. I mean, they're not really equipped to handle the rush of new accounts. So I know some people are saying they're going to pull out of Binance and they're done with them. But where else are you going to go, really? There's Bittrex and some others, but Binance, in my opinion, is the best one. It just sucks. But you got to deal with it. Personally, I've been drip feeding some fiat in over the last few weeks while the market's been down. So while everyone else is selling, I'm trying to take advantage of the good prices. I was actually going to buy something today, but we could be looking at the market once Binance comes back online. Some people are saying there could be a sell-off, so it could affect the market short term. So I think the best thing for me today is just to wait a few hours, wait for Binance to come online, see how that goes, and maybe get in at a better price point. So that's what I'm doing today anyway. Now you got to love, he's out there, isn't he? Oh, John McAfee, guns. Look what he's saying now. He's not trying to spread FUD. But he basically thinks that that Binance has been hacked. He just can't keep his thoughts to himself, can he? There we go. Binance have replied, Binance has not been hacked. Please do not spread false information, John McAfee. So he's a trickster. He's always up to something, always up to something. Got to watch him. He must be pushing 70 years old, and he just can't help it. Anyway, keeps it interesting. There we go. Binance isn't online at the moment, so we'll go check the markets. Give this a quick refresh. See what's going on. So I don't even look at the prices of cryptos at the moment. I'll just look at the market cap. When the market cap goes up, the price goes up. When the market cap goes down, the price goes down. Everything's influenced by Bitcoin at the moment. So when I see that the market cap's 388, I can automatically assume, the prices on all my coins are pretty stable. It's looking good that we're sitting at this point for like a few days now. We did hit like 278 billion a couple of days ago. That was pretty hairy, all holding on at that point. It's only so low that it's going to go. There's a lot of big money watching the space, and if you had $1,000 Bitcoin, I'd be all over it. I'm sure a lot of people would. And the fundamentals of crypto haven't changed recently. It's only gotten better in my opinion. So let's check it out. Looking at the 7-day. Now this is looking quite good over the 7-day. Had a spike back on the 2nd. Yeah, this is where we hit 279 billion a few days ago. Now we're looking alright. So over the 1 month, yeah, it has been a bearish trend, but it seems to be stabilizing. And if we look over the last 3 months, it's not that bad. If you showed this to someone and said, oh, we just had the largest market crash in history by dollar value and one of the highest in ever, by percentage, you show someone this and it looks like a regular market. So you've just got to stop looking at the prices day to day, look at the bigger picture. I still think 2018 is going to be fantastic. I'll be back tomorrow with my strategy for the year and my top picks. Might do like a top 5 or a top 10 or something. We'll see how we go. But yeah, that will wrap it up for today. Alrighty, so we're starting out pretty basic with this channel. I've got a condenser mic and everything, and a outboard sound card to set up. So that'll be coming in the coming weeks and months. Get a bit more high tech for you. So if you can like, subscribe, and if you leave a comment, I reply to every single comment. Greatly appreciated to help build the channel. Alright, thanks guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy your coffee.